Hello everyone, I am B-Man. I am here to introduce you to Salesforce. Before diving directly into Salesforce, let me explain you what CRM is. This will help us understand Salesforce better. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is the combination of practices, strategies, and technologies that companies use to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer life cycle. A CRM system keeps all your customer information in one place so your team can manage your contact with your customers with this full history in mind. This makes for happy customers. By customer information, we mean the details of the customer like his name, email, phone, address, along with the history of his past purchases and interactions with the employees. So, you may wonder what's the advantage of CRM? Why do we want to store all the customer information at one place? That too cloud. A CRM system provides some major advantages such as it is trustworthy. A CRM system helps you go deeper with all your data and metrics, including from other sources. CRM platform collates, tabulates, and organizes the data and easily interprets with reporting features. Dashboards lets user quickly see the data in an organized way, which helps to interpret business quality. The automation reduces human efforts like campaigning, sending mails, and suggesting appropriate service to the customer. Its proactive service is a major advantage for a customer service team. It saves everyone's time and makes your potential and current customers feel important. CRM platform has built-in collaboration tools that allow multiple people to work on one file simultaneously, thus boosting collaboration. Microsoft Dynamics 365, Oracle CX, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, BigContacts, HubSpot CRM are some of the most popular CRM tools. So you may wonder, out of so many CRM tools, why Salesforce? Salesforce is the world's number one CRM platform. It is a cloud based software company that provides a software as a service to its customers, which helps to manage customer relationships, integrate with other systems, and even develop their own applications. Common examples of software as a service are email, calendaring, and office tools such as Microsoft Office 365 or Gmail. Today, Salesforce has expanded from just CRM to offer a multitude of products. Its various tools and products help to create a custom solution as per your business requirements. Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Analytics Cloud, and Marketing Cloud are some of the major Salesforce clouds. Listen to the conversation to understand how Salesforce helps businesses expand and grow.
Hey B man, how are you?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce my dear friend Layman.
I am stuck with my business expansion. I want to store my all customer information at one place so that it can easily be accessed by our employees for better sales and service to our customers. Can you suggest a solution which can pull me out of this situation?
Oh, really? Don't worry, man. I'll show you a way out. Best solution for your problem is none other than Salesforce.
Oh god, again one more new thing. Are you sure it will work out?
Wait, let me give you an overview of its amazing features and capabilities.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
CRM is a tool which helps to manage the customer relationship. Cloud is a place where user can access his data from anywhere 24 by 7 using any device connected to the internet. Salesforce brought both CRM and cloud together. Salesforce is a cloud based software company that provides a software as a service to its customer, which helps to manage customer relationships, integrate with other systems, and even develop their own applications. Salesforce is a multi tenant cloud, which holds CRM data, authentication, etc. On top of them, platforms like Lightning, Heroku will be there. And on top of them, depending on the platform, user will create their applications in Salesforce.
Looks cool, but to use it, do I need to learn any extra stuff?
That's a nice question. Answer is no. No need to learn any code and all. It works just on simple clicks.
Sounds good, man. Hey, man, I started my business with Salesforce and running successfully now.
Happy to hear that, buddy.
But a small problem. I want to track my customer information completely. Can we do that?
Yes, we have a solution. Sales Cloud makes the work of a sales representative very easy as it gives him or her a very consolidated view of all customers. All data can be stored in a single window with all required details. Best part is that the information is so compatible that it can be viewed from a phone or laptop. Leads can be provided to the right representative at the right time, thus improving productivity.
It's cool, man. But I also want to do marketing for my products. Can we do that using Salesforce?
Yes, you can easily do it by Marketing Cloud. If you are into marketing, with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you can make your marketing team smarter and be more predictive about each customer. You will get an intelligent platform integrating marketing, sales, service, and commerce that will make for a collaborative CRM equipped with tools and data to make recommendations based on past purchases.
Great. Please help me on providing services to my customers across different countries.
Yes, you can do it efficiently by using Salesforce Service Cloud. Salesforce Service Cloud is a customer relationship management platform for customer service and support. Using Service Cloud, support agents can address customer problems with the right tools. Building self service communities gives your customers the ability to solve their issues on their own terms.
Wonderful. Is there anything that can help us analyze our business growth and also can be used by our customers or partners to find the information they need?
Yes, we can use Salesforce Analytics Cloud for business analytics and Salesforce Community Cloud for customer partner collaboration. Salesforce Analytics Cloud is a cloud based business intelligence system that provides an interactive platform to access and share business trends. The software provides data insights and helps to uncover new business opportunities, analyze or predict growth of the organization. Salesforce Community Cloud lets you directly connect with customers and drive employee productivity. You can personalize each customer's experience with his or her specific interests so that customers can search for communities to find the information they need or get answers to their questions while service representatives spend time tackling the toughest cases.
Thank you so much, B-Man. You saved my time.
Welcome.